A very good afternoon to all of you, my dear children. In today's session, let us learn about the usage of has and have. In the previous session, we have learned about the usage of am, is, and are. Okay, so let me check you whether you have understood or what. Come on, tell me. Am is always used with I. Very good. Am is always used with I. Is always used with singular. Great. Is used with singular. And are is used with plural. Are is used with plural. And in today's class, we are going to learn about the usage of has and have. Okay. So what are we going to learn about? We are going to learn about has and have. Okay.
And is it a new worksheet?
Yes. So the name only that differs, it is worksheet 13, but all will come under one. Okay. Am, is, are, has and have, all these words are called has. We call them as helping verbs. Okay. We call them as, the name given to all these words are, we call them as helping verbs. It's not given in your workbook. It's just written there, has, have. Okay. So all these words are called as helping verbs. Okay. So in today's class, let's learn about the usage of has and have. Clear? Yes?
Clear.
Okay.
Clear.
Okay. First, let us
Clear.
okay. So, all of you, please listen. So, has and have are also called as helping verb. Okay. And we use has and have to say what someone owns or what someone possess. Possess means what you own or what you possess. So in order to show or to say what someone owns or someone possess, we use the helping verb has and have. For example, I have a big car. Okay, it tells that I own a big car. I have a long hair. Okay. So what you possess, what you have. So we use has and have to show or to indicate possession or to say what someone owns or possesses. For example, okay, so I could say that, okay, so you could show me something. Come on, show me something. What you have with you? Yes, Niveda, what is that? Is it a paint? Yes, okay. Aldrin has a toy cycle. Okay, so when I say that Aldrin has a toy cycle, it belongs to Aldrin. Okay, it is possessed or it is owned by Aldrin. So, okay, come on, show me the things. Yes, add on. Okay. Yes. So you own different things. Okay, my dear children, please mute your audios. Yes. Mute your audios. Please, my dear. Okay, just show your things. Okay, that's it. Okay. I'll tell you something. Please listen. Listen. So you own different things. Okay. So you could use that all these things belongs to you. So when you say a sentence, you could say that, Rasha, come on, say it. What you will say? I have a, what you will say? I have a toy doll. Come on, Rasha. What you will say, my dear children, in order to say that you possess something? So Aeon will say, I have a box. Come on, let me see you. I have a box. Box, yes. It shows that it is owned by Aeon. So if I tell you that Aeon has a box, it is Aeon's box. So in order to show that it is possessed by him, or yes, listen. Yes, okay, I could see it. Okay.
Sebastian has a phone.
Okay, okay. So these are the things owned by you all. So you have different things with you all. Okay. So these are the things which is owned by you. So when you say, when you possess something or when you own something, we use has and have. Okay. Now let's move on to the usage of it, children. Keep your things there. I'll tell you. So has and have is used to indicate possession, which means what to say that what someone owns. Okay, now let's move on to the usage of has and have. All of you look at the picture. All of you look at it. Okay, I hope all of you are listening. Kindly be seated and listen. This is very, very important. So I've told you, why are we using it? Has and have is used to show position or to say what someone owns. Okay, so let's move on to the usage of it. The uses of has and have. Has is used with singular nouns. Are you all listening? Has is used with singular nouns, and also it is used with he, she, it. Okay, has. It is used with singular nouns, and it is also used with he, she, it. Clear to all of you? Clear to all of you? Yes? Okay. Now, I wanted all of you to repeat what I say it. I wanted all of you to listen. So today we are going to learn about the uses of or the usage of has and have. So let's learn first has. Has is used with singular nouns. Come on, tell me. Has is used with?
Singular.
Yes, singular means what? What do you mean by singular? Singular means?
One.
So when we say about, okay, when we say about one, we use has. Okay, so when we talk about singular nouns and also with singular pronouns like he, she, and it, we use has. Clear to all of you? So has is used with singular nouns and singular pronouns he, she, it. Children, listen. I've started with the lesson. So I wanted all of you to keep your book away. Listen to ma'am what I'm saying. Okay. So all of you listen. Some of you are not attentive in the class. Okay. That is the reason you're asking different questions. Please be very, very attentive. We have started the class. Let the book be there. Today, we are going to learn about the usage of has and have. Okay, so we have plenty of exercises there. We have page number in 40 and 41. We do have many sentences there. We have to do it. Unless we learn it, we can't do it. So all of you, please be very, very attentive. Okay, has. It is used with singular noun. Singular means what? One. It is when we talk about one person or one place or one animal or one thing, we use has. And also when we talk about a singular pronoun, that is he, she, or it, we use has. So with singular, we use has. Clear to all of you? With singular, singular means what? With singular, what do we use?
One.
Singular, what do we use? We use has. Yes, singular. For singular, we use has. Has is used with singular nouns and also with singular pronouns. He, she, it. Clear to all of you? Have you understood about has? Has is used with?
Yes, understood.
Yes, has is used with? Has is used with? Singular. Has is used with? Singular. I wanted all of you to repeat it. Has is used with? Singular means one. So when we talk about one person, one place, one animal, or one thing, or when we talk about the singular pronouns, that is he, she, it. Okay, kindly do remember the singular pronouns are he, she, it. We have to use
Singular.
what we have to use? Has or have? We have to use has. Okay. Okay, we have to use has with singular. Is that clear to all of you? Has is used with singular. Has is used with
Singular.
singular. Okay. Now let's move on to the usage of have. Are you there, all of you? Yes?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. I could see you all. Okay. Now let's move on to the usage of have. Yes. Kindly look here. All of you. Don't be looking here and there. Yes. Page and all, you leave it somewhere, children, and please kindly listen. Now, here, have. Have is used with plural nouns. Have is used with plural nouns. What do you mean by plural nouns? When we talk about more, yes, more than one person, more than one place, more than one animal, and more than one thing. So when we talk about many, we use have. Clear? Clear to all of you? So when we talk about many persons, many animals, many things, we use have. Clear to all of you? Yes. So when we talk, page number is 40, my dear children. Just keep it open and kindly do listen in the class. Okay. Only then you will understand. So have is used with plural nouns. Plural noun means when we're talking about many. So when we're talking about many persons, many places, many animals, and many things, we use have. And also when we're talking about the plural pronouns, that is you, we, they. Okay. You, we, they. And also with I. Okay, I is special there. I is something. We talk about myself. When I talk about myself, I do use I. But the I is always used with have. As I used with I am. Here, I is used with have. Okay, I have. Is that clear to all of you? So I wanted all of you to remember this very well. Okay, so when we learned about the usage of am is in R, I told you am is always used with I. But here, has and have, I is used with have, not with has. Kindly do remember, I have a pen. I have a pencil. Is that clear? So all of you, please remember once more, have is used with plural nouns and also with I, you, we, and they. Clear to all of you? Let's repeat. Come on. Have is used with I. Come on. You say, you repeat after me. Have is used with plural nouns. Plural nouns. And also with, some of you are not repeating, and also with I, you, we, they. Yes, I'll show you the screen. Okay, I'll show you the screen. Now all of you repeat it.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, all of you please do repeat it. Unless you repeat it, you will not learn, children. Have. By then, if you write it, it takes such a long time. That's why I'm sending you the notes for you to write it. Copy down the notes. Okay. Have is used with nouns. Come on, tell me. Have is used with plural nouns and also with I. Come on, say it. We, they. Come on, say it. They. Okay. Okay, okay. Okay. Okay, okay. Thank you. Wait, I'll show you. Let me check whether you have learned it or not. All of you, please. So with he, she, and it, what do we use? He, she, and it. What do we use? Come on, tell me. And with singular, what do we use? With singular nouns and also with he, she, it, what do we use? Come on, tell me. What do we use? We use has. Okay, is that clear to all of you? With he, she, it, and with singular nouns, we do use has. Okay, now let me write. With I, you.
Right.
No. We, I'll send you the notes. Don't worry about it. Okay, you take such a long time. We, they, and with plural nouns, what do we use? Have. Okay, I'll send you the same notes to you. We use have. Okay, we use have. Okay. Now let's move on to the exercises. Okay, let's move on to the exercises. Let me check whether you have understood or not. Yes? There is an exercise for you children. This exercise is not there in your workbook. Let's do this exercise. Then we'll move on to the exercise which is there in your workbook. Okay, I'll start with Badri. Badri, come on, Badri. Read the first question.
I have
I'll mute you all.
pen.
Come on, Badri, come on, read the question. All the others, please to kindly listen. So we know that I
Have
yes, very good. I have a I have a what is written here? What is written here? Short pen. Children, please do listen that this exercise is not there in your workbook. Okay. A short pen. Very good, Badri. I have a short pen. Very good. Okay. Now let's move on to Ashiga. Ashiga, come on, Ashiga. Ashiga. Come on, unmute it.
You have a cute cat.
Yes, you have a cute cat. Very good. Very good, Ashiga. Now, Ayan, come on, Ayan. Do the next question. Read the question. I hope you could see the board. Yes, I
have an apple.
Very good. I have an apple. Richard, come on, do it.
He has a book.
Very good. He has a book. Very good. Niveda, come on, Niveda. Do the next question.
She has a
She has a wallet. Okay, very good. She has a wallet. Wallet means a purse. Okay, she has a wallet. Very good, Niveda. Anthony? Anthony, come on, Anthony. Do the next question for me.
You have key.
Yes. You have a key. Yes, very good. You have a key. Yes. Aeon, come on, Aeon. Do the next question.
She does has camera.
Yes, you, she. Come on, Aeon. Read it once more. She
has
a camera. Yes. She has a camera. Very good. Shivad, come on, Shivad.
red bell.
Yes.
Has red bell.
Yes. Okay.
It has a red bell.
Yes, it has a red bell. Very good. It has a red bell. Then enjoy. Come on. Read the next question.
Kate.
Kate, very good.
Kate has a
yes, very good. Kate has
dog.
Very good. Kate has a big bag. Okay. So together with that, we are learning the use a and an. Okay. Then Basil, come on, Basil. Come on, do the now last question for me. Yes, Shivad. No, sorry, Basil. Basil, come on. Basil.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, come on.
Soft has a
Mm.
soft has
Ah,
umbrella.
yes. Scott has an umbrella. Okay, so we have learned about the vowels and the consonants, and we know that it is U, it's a vowel, so we have to use an there. Okay, so Scott has an umbrella. Now let's move on to the exercise, what is there in our workbook. Okay, so let's move on to the workbook pages. Okay, so let's move on to the workbook pages. All of you, please do take your exercise, which is there in your workbook, page number 40. Please do take it. Okay, so let me write the exercise for you. Okay, so let's move on to the first sentence. That is the first one. Okay, so who is here? Henna. Henna, come on, Henna. Read the question for me, Henna. Henna E.T. What is the first question which is written there in page number 40? Come on.
Elephant
Yes, elephants.
have
Elephants. Kindly read the question once and then you tell me the answer. Elephants dash trunks. Okay.
elephant
Dash
dash
trunks.
drink.
Okay, so
Elephants have
Mm.
drugs.
very good. Whites have, Henna? Whites have? Because it is? I wanted a reason. Yes, it
Drinking
is.
water.
Yes, it is.
Drinking water.
No, I'm asking you why we are using your have here. What is the reason for it? Why can't we use has? Who can give me the answer? What you said is right. The answer is right. But why? Who can give me the answer?
I know.
Elephants have trunks. Why? Because, yes, Aldrin, anyone? Because it is plural. Yes, it is plural. So we have to use have here. Okay. So what you said is right, Henna, but to reason out why. So elephants are plural. It is more than one. So we have to use have here. Very good. Okay. Okay. Now let's move on to Ved Pratap. Ved Pratap, come on, read the second question. Yes, read the question and then tell me the answer.
A cat dash for legs.
Yes, that is the question which is written there. Come on, tell me the answer.
Have.
What is it, Simone?
Have.
A cat. So how many cats are there?
One.
One. So for singular, what we have to use?
Have.
Huh?
Have.
Has. We have to use has. Is that clear? For singular, what we have to use? Say it once more.
Has.
Has. When you pronounce the word too, it should be clear. Has. Okay. So for singular, we have to use has. Very good. Harriet, come on, Harriet. Page number is 40, 41. Please do take it. Harriet. Yes, come on. Read. Yes, page number is 40, 41. Okay. Got it? Got your page? Harriet, come on. Harriet, where are you? I just now saw you. Harriet is not there. Okay, then I'll move on to Rida Mariam. Rida, come on, Rida. Read the third question. Read the third question. Third question is
Yes, ma'am.
yes, read the third question. What is the third question which is written there in your workbook? Come on, read. I dash. Come on, read the question. Why that you're hesitating? Come on, what is there in your workbook? Come on, read the question. The third question, which is there in page number 41. I dash.
Dash.
What is written here?
Color.
Color
Color.
pencils.
Color pencil.
So what should I write here?
Yes,
40,
ma'am.
41. Come on, tell me the answer.
Okay, ma'am.
Mm.
41.
What, Rida?
No, ma'am.
Rida?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, come on, give me the answer. Wait, Harriet, I'll call you.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, come on, give me the answer. What we have to use there? Is it has or have? Okay, Rida, you're not ready with the answer. Harriet, come on, Harriet. Give me the answer for that.
Yes, ma'am.
I have. Very good. I have color pencils. So have is always used with I, as we have learned that am always goes with I. Here for I, we have to use have. Okay, very good. Aldrin, come on, Aldrin. Read the next question for me, Aldrin. The fourth question. What is written there? Come on, read from your workbook.
Roma has a bicycle.
Yes, Roma has a bicycle. So, Roma has a bicycle. Why has?
Has.
Yes, why has?
Bicycle.
No. We always have to look at the naming part, Aldrin. Yes, we always, children, you always have to look at the naming part. Haven't we learned about the naming part? Don't look at the telling part. Always look here, the first part of the sentence. Okay, so elephants, it is plural. So we have to use have. A cat. So it is, we are talking about singular one. So we have to use has. I. So it is have. Roma, it is one person. So we have to use has here. Always look at the naming part in a sentence. Okay, naming part always comes first. Look at the naming part. Only then we have to, the usage of has and have, it depends on the naming part of the sentence. Okay, okay, Aldrin. Now let's move on to one more sentence. The fifth question goes to Anthony. Are you there, Anthony? Come on, read the fifth question for me, my dear. What is written there?
Our school dash a big playground.
Yes, when you read the sentence, read it your learning accent. So why can't you read it a little more better way? Our school dash a big playground. Come on, read it once more. Let me hear you reading it.
Our school.
A school dash a big, yes, come on, read. So what we have to use here? Has. Very good, Anthony. So our school, we are talking about our own school, but there's only one. So we have to use has. Okay.
Our school has.
Yes, very good. Okay. Now, Sebastian. Sebastian, come on, Sebastian. Do the sixth question for me. Sixth question. What is written there? Come on, read what is written there.
Microfilm.
Whom did I call? Sebastian. Okay, where is Sebastian here?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, come on. Read the question. I. Uh, come on. I dash. What is written here? New. A new ball. So what you write there?
New ball.
Hmm. Mm. So what we have to write there? I dash a new ball. If it is I, then what we have to use? Come on, tell me the answer. I.
The he.
No, whether we have to use has or have.
Her.
Have. I have a new ball. Okay, children. So all of you, please do kindly check when we are talking about singular, we use has. With plural, we have to use have. And also with I, we use have. Okay. So kindly complete the exercises, which is there in page number 41. Okay. Please, I'll be sending you the notes will be sent to you. And kindly copy down the notes into your English grammar notebook. Only when you write, you will learn. Okay.
Okay,
So I'm going to send the notes. I'm just now, or soon after the session, I'll be sending. So see that you copy down the notes. Only then, when the rules are clear, only then we can do the exercises. You can do the other exercises which are there in a workbook. Okay.
Okay,
Start doing
ma'am.
the exercises. I'll be sending you the answer keys.
Okay,
children,
ma'am. Bye.
it's time for us to wind up. Bye-bye, all of you. Thank you. Bye, all of you. Bye, my dear. Thank you all. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.